Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do what it's called a vaudeville step. You're gonna start with your right foot. You're gonna cross, step left, heel, step with the right, cross left, step, heel, step. Do that again. It's cross, step, heel, step, cross, step, heel, step. Now I'm gonna turn around so you could watch me from behind. So again, starting with your right foot. Cross, step, heel, step, cross, step, heel, step. One more time. Cross, step, heel, step, cross, step, heel, step. Now let me go ahead and do this with a count. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now I'm going to show you, it is a quick step, so let me go ahead and do it with a count, and it's speeding it up, putting the rhythm faster. Starting with your right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Thank you for watching.